Welcome, champs. If you've ever struggled to express your ideas clearly, felt nervous in conversations, or just wanted to sound more confident and impactful, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into 10 powerful ways to boost your communication skills. These are practical, proven strategies that can help you speak like a leader. Whether you're talking to your team, delivering a speech, or simply having a casual chat, let's get started. Number 1. Communicate with purpose, not just words. Most people talk to respond, not to connect. Tip: before speaking, ask yourself, what do I want the other person to think, feel, or do after I speak? Whether it's to inspire, inform, or influence, clarity of purpose will guide your words and tone. People don't just listen to what you say. They remember how you made them feel. Number 2, focus on connection, not perfection. Don't aim to impress, aim to connect. You don't need fancy vocabulary or perfect grammar. What people crave is authenticity. They want to feel heard, not lectured. Practical tip: use simple language. Look into their eyes. Nod when they speak. That's how you build a genuine connection. Number 3, master the power of listening. One of the most overlooked communication skills is listening. Most people are not listening. They're just waiting for their turn to speak. But the best communicators, the leaders who inspire change, are powerful listeners. Try this. Next time someone talks, pause before you respond. Process what they said. Ask a follow-up question. They'll feel valued, and you'll respond more meaningfully. Number 4, your body speaks before you do. Before you say a single word, your body is already sending messages. Stand tall. Open your chest. Keep your hands relaxed. Confident body language signals credibility and calm. Bonus tip: smile. A genuine smile is a universal sign of warmth and trust. Number 5, eliminate filler words. Like, you know? Filler words are communication speed bumps. They distract, weaken your message, and make you sound unsure. Try this. Record yourself speaking for 2 minutes. Count how many fillers you use. Then repeat, but slower and more intentional. With practice, your message becomes more powerful and polished. Number 6, ask questions that spark engagement. Communication is not a monologue, it's a dialogue. Instead of only stating facts, ask powerful questions. This turns listeners into participants. For example, what are your thoughts on this? Have you ever faced something similar? How would you handle this situation? People remember how you made them feel involved. Number 7, master your tone and pace. Your tone carries your message more than the words themselves. Speak too fast, you sound nervous. Too slow, you might lose attention. Find your rhythm. Speak like you're having a one-on-one conversation, even in a group. Use pauses to emphasize key points. Let your voice rise and fall naturally. It's like music. No one enjoys a song that's all one note. Number 8, be brief but impactful. In a world full of distractions, clarity is king. Say less, mean more. Use short, powerful sentences. Replace jargon with clarity. Instead of saying, "We need to synergize our operational capabilities," say, "Let's work better together." When you respect people's time, they respect your message. Number 9. Adapt to your audience. Your message should change depending on who you're speaking to. Are you talking to a team, a customer, a child, a CEO? Tip: match their language, their pace, and their interests. Speak their language, not yours. This builds rapport and makes your message land. Number 10. Practice deliberately, not just frequently. You don't become a better speaker by just talking more. You improve by reflecting, adjusting, and trying again. Here's a powerful method. Record your speeches. Watch them like a coach. Note what worked and what didn't. Make small improvements every week. That's how progress happens. Bonus tip: avoid these common mistakes. Let's also talk about what not to do. 1. Talking too much without listening. Let the other person speak too. 2. Not reading the room. If your audience looks lost or bored, adjust your tone or pace. 3. Being overly formal or robotic. Speak like a human, not a script. 4. Avoiding feedback. Ask people you trust, how can I communicate better? Their insight is important. My final words: speak to empower, not impress. Great communication isn't about sounding smart. It's about being clear, being kind, and being courageous enough to speak your truth. Remember, your voice matters. Your story has power, and your words can change lives. Keep practicing, stay curious, and most of all, communicate with heart. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, share it with a friend who could use a boost in their speaking skills. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more powerful content every week. See you next time.